Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q2 of the weekly contest 475, minimum distance between three equal elements 2. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem. Today, this problem, we have minimum distance between three equal elements 2. Okay, so this is a slightly harder version of Q1, where Q1 n is 100, this is 10 to the 5th. One trick that I want to suggest during a contest is that because everything is the same except for the constraints, I would just copy and paste the code from Q2 to Q1. So if you have a wrong answer there, that means that, you know, that means that it is going to be incorrect anyway. And also because if you already submitted correctly for Q1, only the first correct answer counts. Everything after that doesn't matter, right? So if you made a mistake, it will save you a wrong answer. But in any case, the key thing to note for Q2, for this one, is just noticing that, you know, this properly, you only care if all three elements are the same, right? So that means that you can put all the three elements together. And because if you sort them afterwards, or at least if they're in order in some way, if you process them in a good way, then now you can do almost like a sliding window thing by looking at three elements in a row. Keeping in mind that, yeah, I mean, I don't even think this matters, right? The k minus I, because if you do them in a way such that I is less than j and j is less than k, that means that k minus I is just going to be equal to this thing times 2. And as a result, if you look at this thing, and let's just say I is less than j and j is less than k, then you're just trying to squeeze them in as close as possible, right? Or k is less than I as close as possible, because the j almost doesn't matter, because as we said, it's just the middle thing times 2, right? And you can visualize this by drawing it out, but yeah, in any case, as a result, then the solution is always going to be in a sliding window kind of way, because you're trying to minimize k and I, the distances between k and I. And that's basically here, but you know, keep in mind that I will take I use k here, so I couldn't use k here, but I just look at three adjacent elements, right? And I just go, I just type this out because I don't have to think about it, right? Like you can change it a little bit, but it's fine. But the key thing here is that for every number x in the nums, we just have an index. We group them together by the number with the index, and then that's it. Yep, that's it. And then we go through all of it one by one. And this is going to be linear time, linear space. This is linear time and linear space. And this just reads, we don't have to have anything to sort because we already put them in order. So then we just look at everything in a linear kind of way. You can even just write this as, yeah, you just look at adjacent elements, right? Two adjacent elements. And then, yeah, of course, if it's not possible, then we turn -1. And that's it. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. And you can watch me solve it live in a contest next. Alright, good. Alright, I guess this is the same one, but harder. Alright, is it? Just double checking. Oops. What the? Alright, it is, n is big, right? Alright, no, I mean, okay. I guess it didn't really take that much longer for whatever, but, alright, and it's already sorted, then now, oh yeah. And I already used K. That's actually not Koch. So this is going to look confusing. Right, okay, fine. And you could probably write this differently, but whatever. Putting in the Q1 first. All right. Hopefully the constraints didn't change that much. Okay, good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm, today's contest, the explanation, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye.